Day, day. Hey guys, what's going on? God damn you.
Well, you can see my other video, the crazy weather we've been having. When I put this dock in a week or so ago, the water level was just at these rocks right here. And there's a good 2 feet between the bottom of the dock and the water. I just put my pants up to my kneecaps and walked in. If I did that now, I'd be up to here, my waist, just to my pocket height. Water level is just at the edge of the dock. And that one over there, the water's touching it. Crazy. I've never seen the water this high here. Let me see if I can grab a stick. Well, you can see the water line right there. That's a good foot. And the water line, when I put the dock in, was right here. It was only just enough to cover the rocks right here. That's where the water line stopped before. But yeah, it's a good foot. Crazy.